Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Who all are new in my channel, click the subscribe button and you are welcome into my family, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get all the notification whenever I'll upload my new video. Today we'll talk about 4 habits of a happy person. Yes, by the way, my next cooking video will upload on Thursday, so please wait for it. Before talking about happiness, I just want to tell you happiness it's not a thing that you can find it. Yes, you need to create it. In our life, we always want to be happy. It's like our basic goal to become a happy person. Being a happy person is not that tough like we think. It's just you need to change some of your perspective and adopting some better habits. So today we'll talk about 4 habits. 4 habits of a happy person.
Our first habit is be optimistic.
Stop focusing on those things which are not under your control. Just be happy with those things which you already have right now. In our everyday life, we face so many problems. In every problem, there is some positivity also present. Happy people always try to find or search for those positivity. When you love what you have everything you need. Remember that sometimes not getting what you want, it's also a wonderful opportunity to get something better.
Our second habit is love yourself and be confident.
Back then, I always underestimate myself. I always judge myself. Am I really deservable for this life? I think because of my lack of self-confidence. Happy people always love their self. They always confident whatever they are doing or whatever they want to do in their life. Nothing and no one can make you happy until you are happy with yourself. Be so busy loving yourself that you left no time for hate, regret and fear.
Third one is try to create new things.
We are humans and we love creating new things. If you are not creating anything, that means you already destroyed yourself. Start learning new things which makes you happy. In my case, I love reading and cooking, so whenever I did those things, it makes me happy and it also helps me to overcome from my fear, anxiety, stress and depression.
Our last one, but not in the list, try to surround yourself with happy pupils.
If you ask me, I keep my distance from negative people. Some people love being surrounded with negativity. I hate those people because for me, I already know they will give me a headache. Then why wasting time on them? Just ignore them and be with them who always love to carry positivity on their back. Surround with people who are good for your mental health, who will give you energy, not drain it from you, who light you up, not dim your light. In the last, I just want to tell you, loving people always live in a loving world, and hostile people always live in a hostile world. It's your choice, it's your decision how you want to live. We are not here for a long time, so let's make it a joy-filled time. So that's all for today. See you in my next video. If you have any questions regarding this topic, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll check it. Love you guys. Bye.